guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. In this videos, I'm going to introduce the installation guide for the tailgate overlanding outdoor plate, the equipment system installation guide. So keep the tuner and to see how the step of the installation, and you can do it by yourself. It's very easy, and just to remove the practice one on the back side, and you will find after we install this this statement, you will like the car much more. So keep the tuner and to see our installation guide today. Number 1, number 2, number 3. That means this is number 1.
这个朝上。
And this is number 2.
3一样。
Number 3. Okay. Thanks for watching our video till right now, and we finished the installation of the tailgate. And what's interesting is we have the camping LED on the side of the platform, and you can find we can hold the LED plate here. We have 2 bags. In the previous videos, we can find the one full of the accessories, and the one is empty. We can put anything else we want to inside it. And from this one, which have the accessories bag, we can find the where's the controller for the LED. We can check the connection. Is very easy, just to plug and play. To use this plug to connect the car on the back side to get the power. And this one is to hold on this part. When we start the engine, the LED will be light. When you go out for off-road in the night, you can make this one work for. On the other hand, I'm going to show you the way to use this plate equipment state. We have 2 ways to open it. The first one, we can find there comes the button here to tighten it, and we can find after we remove the bracket here, we can put the ones on the storage box. It will be not loose. And this one we can remove. We will find we can get the storage accessories from the original storage space, and also get the one from here. So on the other hand, we have another way to use this platform. I will show you. We can hold the bracket on the bump and like play a Lego, and to make it like a desk. And you can put anything else here, up or down. There comes the two space for you holding the things when you go fishing, go hiking, go overlanding, go camping. You can put anything else, everything you want on this desk. So this one is suggestion products in this following month. If you have any question or interest to cooperate with some auto parts, just contact us. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you next video. Bye bye.